Monkey agus an banana.
Lá bra grianmhar a bhí ann. Chuaigh Éva agus Holly go dtí an zoo. Déach siad ar na hainmhithe ar fad. An sin stop siad don lón. Bhí na moncaithe taobh hiardíobh. Bhí banana ag Holly. Thóg monkey an banana agus dis sé é. Thosaigh Éva ag gáire.
Ceistena, ceiste hain. Céinsáis le a bhí ann. Ceiste dó. Cáneacaigh Éva agus Holly. Ceiste trí. Cé a bhí taobh hiardíobh. Ceiste cathair. Céir de bhí ag Holly. Ceiste cuaig. Céir de rinne an monkey.
Okay, so monkey agus an banana is monkey and the banana. Lá bra grianmhar a bhí ann. It was a fine sunny day. So a bhí ann it was. And lá means day. A bra grianmhar is nice and sunny. So it was a nice sunny day. Hui Éva agus Holly go dtí an zoo. Hui is the verb went. So Éva and Holly went go dtí an zoo to the zoo. Déach siad na hainmhithe. So déach siad means they looked at the animals. Na hainmhithe ar fad. They looked at all the animals. An sin, stop siad don lón. Then, stop siad, they stopped, don lón for lunch. Bhí na moncaithe taobh hiardíobh. So the monkeys were taobh hiardíobh, were behind them. Then, bhí banana ag Holly. So Holly had a banana. Thóg monkey an banana. The monkey took. Thóg means took. So thóg monkey an banana. Agus di sé é. And he ate it. Thosaigh Éva ag gáire. Thosaigh means started. Éva started ag gáire. Éva started laughing. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions. So, cén sais lei a bhí ann? What type of day was it? And if we go up to the top, lá bra grianmhar a bhí ann. It was a nice sunny day. Question 2. Cá neacaigh Éva agus Holly. Where did Éva and Holly go? So the answer to cá neacaigh is hui. So let's see if we can see hui. There it is there. Hui Éva. Éva and Holly. Hui Éva and Holly go dtí an zoo. Question 3. Cé a bhí taobh hiardíobh. Who was behind them? So let's look for the word taobh hiardíobh. Taobh hiardíobh, there we see it on the 5th line. Bhí na moncaithe taobh hiardíobh. The monkeys were behind them. Question 4. Céir de bhí ag Holly. What did Holly have? Okay, what did Holly have? Well, we can see there on sentence 6. Bhí banana ag Holly. Holly had a banana. And then question 5. Céir de rinne an monkey. What did the monkey do? So let's have a look. What did the monkey do? You can see there on the second last line. Thóg monkey an banana. The monkey took the banana. Agus di sé é. And he ate it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to listen through one more time. And every time you hear a pause, I want you to repeat the sentence that you've just heard to improve our pronunciation. Well done.
Monkey agus an banana.
Lá bra grianmhar a bhí ann. Chuaigh Éva agus Holly go dtí an zoo. Déach siad ar na hainmhithe ar fad. An sin stop siad don lón. Bhí na moncaithe taobh hiardíobh. Bhí banana ag Holly. Thóg monkey an banana agus dis sé é. Thosaigh Éva ag gáire.